yourself a big round of applause. We're going to kick off quickly as possible once you're briefed. Girls, you guys are going to get lots and lots of opportunity to play football. The future is yours.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads.
The festival probably being organized for the first time. There is a short-term and a long-term plan towards this festival. The short-term plan is to activate, the interest of schoolgirls in Delhi, their interest in football. The long-term plan is more for the country as such. We have a serious plan that we should be able to put India on the soccer map in a global way, and that route I think would be easier done with the ladies and the girl players.
When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player. Festivals like these give me a chance to look forward and play more. We learn to play fair. I got to broaden my skills and make new friends. If I observe other players playing, then I can improve my soccer skills.
The curriculum which is there as a Quiver system helps understand what, stage by stage, skill relevant to age, and also the importance of beginning early. You need the curriculum starting early so that the kids are able to enjoy the game, build up their physique, understand what is gameplay amongst themselves. Ultimately, when they become 14 years, then they can understand the complexity of the game.
We don't have such tournaments for the primary children. We have only for the senior girls. So the primary children are left behind. This game, which is of an international level, the girls are not familiar because there is no such tournaments happening around.
We want to emphasize, on the player development part of it, not just the game. So what's happening in India or what's happening in our culture is that we get straight into a game and we just want to win. Football is foot on the ball. So the number of hours that we spend with our foot on the ball, running around and working with others, that is important. So how do we get that? We don't get much training time, so the only time when you get a foot on the ball is when you play.
It's a great opportunity for the students because we have all age groups participating here. They are promoting football and it's on a very good level.
The greatest learning for my students coming this festival is that they have become more confident.
This sort of tournaments encourage the children.
I think it's a wonderful session to have with the girls here to understand the kind of perspectives they're coming from, the issues that they might be facing, because playing sports is still, a bit controversial for girls here. So we were just talking about issues of gender discrimination, the kind of issues they've faced over time to get into the field of soccer.
Give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us.
Platform like this is really good for us because most people, they tend to focus more on boys soccer.
It gives us exposure. We need exposure because it's my dream to represent India.
We've been exposed to what kind of game is played by different schools.
हम fair खेलना सीखते हैं
और फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं नए नए, और बाहर निकलने में ये होता है कि हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं.
I think this is a really good festival to that has been held for girls, and I think girls can also be capable of making it into a career.
कोई याउदे ए हाना ममांग दे प्लेयर ओइना सुम लारपने अदुगा नुपी की फुटबॉल जे सुम इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट तोंबो कोनबा सानारपने अदु हजि कोइबर याउबदे गिदी नुपी की फुटबॉल जे डेवलप याम ओइ बजु ngamni ओहनि कोच अमा ओइबगी लंबी जु ले
कोइबर का पुन मतम सिने कोइबर से अमा याम फै हाइतारे मागी सिस्टम जे हाबदि आंगांग जे इंडिविजुअल ओइना तापी बगी मोंगनेबा फर्स्ट ता अखोई इसा प्लेयर अमना कई तौगदगे हाबसे हाना येंगनी अदु मतुंगदा ग्रुपिंग से पुंजलकनेबा नुपी की सोकर टीम जे कोइबरना पाइरक पतारगदी याम अफबा अदगी इंप्रूव ओइबा अदगी प्लेयर सिंग जे याम फबा ओइरकनी ना थागे.
Corporate coaching is all about the grassroots level, the younger kids, how to train them. It's like global organization.
Working in this festival to see all the kids coming together from in Delhi NCR, as we give the name festival, all the kids come and enjoy there.
All these school girls, they are like right now they are like small birds. I think one day they are going, they will fly.
Forward to this festival again next year.
Because I love making new friends.
It was a great learning experience for all of us.
I'm very passionate about football.
It's a really good opportunity for the girls. So next time they should organize it again at a bigger scale.
The seeds of the kids coming, the seeds of the girls getting an opportunity, a platform to sort of come and express themselves have been sort of sowed today.